Life, DJ Darren here. Just a quick video. I sealed up this little deal here. This is in my bedroom. There's wood behind this. I decided to seal this up. I'm not using this. So what I did was run a heavy bead, opened it up, ran a heavy bead of silicone sealant behind it, and I shut it, locked them down, and then ran another bead in this crack all the way around it and sealed that up. And also I saw there was some area to get in there too. I wanted this waterproof, so I sealed this strip up here on this hinge, and also underneath this hinge too. So everything above and below the hinge, and this entire seal along here is done and sealed up, so I don't need to worry about that anymore. Nothing's getting in there, no ants, no nothing. No one's gonna, well, if someone tried to break in, they'd be pretty bummed to see a big 2-inch thick wood wall right there. So there's gonna be one fan that sits right here, but that's the exhaust for my kitty litter box, and that's it. So there'd be maybe 2 little fans right there, but that's it. So all that's sealed up, and I figured I'd just close it, seal it up, and let it be. It's not hurting anything, so that's that. Yeah, just sealed it up, silicone caulking really, and that's it. Now it's weatherproof, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. Yes, I need storage. I completely gutted my bedroom, so I don't need that anymore. And like I said, there's a whole wood wall behind that sealed up. So just showing you guys quick videos. Alright you guys, peace. I'm out.